gang? Back with another video, man. We in that 2023 Dodge Challenger Shaker, man. See it on the hood. But yeah, man, I'm tapping in with y'all, man. We about to do a POV drive to the crib. But, you know what I'm saying, man? I ain't been on here in a minute, man. It's my last video. I posted that shit, what, 2 or 3 months ago? It was a pretty good video. Didn't get too many views, but I ain't too much tripping. I'm doing what I enjoy, man. That's all that mattered to me. No lie. But yeah, we in that new thing though. It only got 4,800 miles. I got it at 1,800, so I put 3,000 on it. But still brand new. Still got that new car smell. Yeah, it's a little dirty right now, but that's only because it's the winter in Michigan and shit. So just bear with me. So yeah, man. POV drive to the crib, man. I was talking to one of my guys just a minute ago about making videos and shit. And I was just like, fuck it, I'm gonna make a POV drive today, man. So you get the glory right now, man. Get y'all pulled. This sound pretty good, man, for a 5.7. Know that gas hitting, boy. But hey, get into it though, man. Yeah, man, so yeah, man, just leave down in the comment section what y'all want to see next, man, for a POV drive. I'm gonna be in the rentals, I'm gonna be in the vehicles, man, tapping in, get into my YouTube side of things. This video gonna be pretty long for the most part. Yeah, man, just stay tuned. I'll get back to y'all in a second because it's kind of hot over here and I got my phone on. Everything y'all see is what I see. So, tell y'all a little bit about this car, man. This is a 2023 Dodge Challenger RT Shaker Last Call Edition. And if you don't know what the Last Call Edition is, basically it's like the last year that Hemi cars and this body style Dodge Charger, Dodge Challenger will be made. And I believe Dodge Durangos get the same treatment, if I'm not mistaken. And I got a video coming up too with a Dodge Dodge Durango SRT 392. So just stay tuned for that. But yeah, it's a 2023. It got what, 4,804 miles on it right now as it sits. And right now I'm kind of making this YouTube video like rush hour traffic at a bad time, and I'm in Detroit, and obviously it's snowing outside. So just bear with me with the quality on this video. But yeah, man, give y'all a little history, man, on why I like Challengers and Chargers so much. When I was a bit younger, I say what, 2008, I was about 5 or 6 years old, and the first time I ever seen a Charger SRT, I think it was an SRT8 with the 6.1, and it was black, all black. It came by my house, and I was like, I want that one. You know how it is when you're a little kid and shit, you see cars that you actually like. And he stopped right in front of my house and did a burnout, and ever since then, I've just been a Challenger Charger fan, and so on and so forth. So, man, it's just been, you know, a never-ending spark that I had ever since the second body style and the third. This current generation Charger and Challenger has always been my favorite one because they look so sleek, so elegant. They look like they're going fast, and they really not. And even though that obviously is the smallest V8 engine that you can purchase from Dodge, it still gives you that kick, almost like a Scat Pack. See what I'm saying? Yep. Oh, it's fully loaded too. Got the suede interior, as you can see. Yeah. And if you're familiar with the area, if you know, tap in on the comments, man. But yeah. Oh. It's an old school Durango up here. But yeah. This year, man, I'm expecting to turn up, man. This is gonna be the first video of 2023 that I done made. And I'm expecting to turn up a lot on this channel, man. Like, I had a lot of traction within the last 2 years on videos as far as that. And so, you know, in turn, I'm gonna make it do what it do, you feel me? Like, I got all these followers. I got 588 followers as of right now. I'm about to make it do what it do, my baby. Yep. This probably gonna be my last time driving this car, you know, amidst this winter storm that's about to hit. Or I think it's not a winter storm, because we already had that. But I believe it's like 5 inches of snow that we about to get. And as you know, Challengers and Chargers are not really good in the snow. Y'all POV drive be cutting up too. Oh yeah. Yep, I'm like that. I'm like that, trust me. Yeah, I'm gonna chill out after I get around these cars, cause I ain't got no gas and I ain't trying to fill it up. I ain't gonna lie to you. But yeah, man, I'm just so in love with this car, bro. It just brings me newfound joy. When I'm able to hit the gas like that and go, and I'm not no regular bullshit like this, it just feel good knowing that you can't get bullied on the road by anything. As you can see with that truck, it got right back over. It's the king of the road, man. Don't get it misconstrued. This 5.7 ain't no bitch. You feel me? This ain't no slow ass, you feel me? Bullshit ass. I can do shit like that and not have to worry about it. But yeah, man, I ain't planning to make this video too long, man. I just wanted to get a video on this motherfucker before it snowed. But I think I'm gonna be quiet though the rest of the trip, man. Just enjoy the video. Oh, don't try to do what I do at home. Different result supply. people looking at me like, look at this goofy ass nigga holding his phone in his hand. I don't give a fuck. Gotta have some road courtesy. Not going that way. Yeah, that shit's packed up. Can't get bully on the road, man. Like I said, sorry, Mr. Lexus. Let me know in the comments what y'all want to see next. kind of doing like cars that I actually enjoy driving. I get into more economy cars as well, and more high performance cars like 5.0 Mustang GTs and whatnot. Just gotta catch me on a good day.